Here I have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts application, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the import export, import from SIM card. Here you have to select which contacts you want to import. I don't know, could be these ones. And then just tap import, and after that select phone. And now you will have these contacts not only on your SD card but also on your phone, as you can see. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.